So what are you here for today?
Guys, we're here for Nyama Choma.
Nyama Choma.
Nyama Choma, man.
They said whenever I go to Kenya, I need to try Nyama Choma. And where am I trying this Nyama Choma?
Kamaki. This is the best place to try Nyama Choma in here.
Kamaki. What is so special about Nyama Choma?
Nyama Choma is a meal that Kenyans are proud of, that Kenyans can relate to. During celebrations in Kenya, you can hardly find anywhere without Nyama Choma. You know, big events, Christmas, birthday parties.
Big event, Christmas.
The food you eat before you turn up.
But I don't think I need Nyama Choma. Because you already my Nyama Choma. Come on. My Nyama Choma. Oh. But anyway, you know what I'm gonna do? I am here in Kamaki. Is it Kamaki to try Nyama Choma for the first time? So all you need to do is come with me. But first of all, she gave me a Kenyan, what do you call it?
Kenyan juice.
And then this is from Ghana, so definitely. I'm gonna come on. I'm gonna put Okay, thank you so much. I need to wash my hands. Thank you.
Before you take it to the restaurant, you want to try before you can take it.
Alright. So let's go try the Nyama Choma.
You can have a bite.
But what meat is this, by the way?
This goat meat.
What's that you dipped it in?
That's a marination.
Marinated?
Yeah, it's marinated.
Oh my gosh. This is really good. Wow.
I need to try something.
This
So what?
It's the African sauce.
African sausage. Which one should we go for? What do you think?
So good, it's hard to decide.
So, hold on. So these are different types of Nyama Choma, right? This is what? The
African sausage.
And what about this one?
This is goat meat.
Yeah. And what about this? The chops, huh? What is that?
The chops. What do you mean? Oh, the different parts of the goat.
Oh, so everything here is goat meat. What about this one? This one is African sausage. African sausage is not goat? Yes, it's good.
It's from
goat.
goat.
It's also from goat.
Yeah.
Okay, so we go for let's go for this. I think this one will be better.
And
I'd love to try the African
Which one?
sausage.
Yeah, we have it.
Are we gonna eat Nyama Choma alone or with
so
something
it
else?
comes with
like
garlic, rice, whatever you want. Whichever you prefer.
Okay, then I'll go for garlic. And let's go for this one. What do you think?
Give us
Are you
the
okay?
garlic, yeah.
Rice, yeah.
How much is 1 kg?
1 kg.
1 kg is 700.
700.
Okay, so 1 kg is 700. Okay, so how much in dollars? Maybe I'm gonna convert that in dollars
About
for you guys.
$7.
$7 for this?
Imagine.
Then I need to move to Kenya.
Come to Kenya, man.
Ah, thank you so much. Asante sana. Asante sana. All right, let's go for the ugali. So you guys should come with us, and we're gonna try ugali with what do you call it? Nyama Choma. But I really don't want to try Nyama Choma because I already have one Nyama Choma. But anyway. Oh, the African sausage is finally here. African sausage. Okay. Thank you. What about our meat? What about the... So this one is also called Nyama Choma?
No, this one is the sausage.
Sausage.
African sausage.
Okay.
Appetizer.
Oh, appetizer.
Thank you.
I love appetizers, by the way. Wow. Appetizers, so maybe you should try it out.
So,
What's the right way to eat?
just adding the salt on top.
On top?
Putting it on your mouth.
Adding the salt on top.
So good.
It tastes like noodles.
Really?
Why is it spicy?
They've actually put some spices.
In it.
Yeah.
Wow. There's some I see some vegetables too inside.
Yeah.
You guys want to try it out? This is super good. Super good, but it's just an appetizer. So, me, I love meat. You guys know it. Like anywhere I go to, I prefer meat over anything. So, I'm patiently waiting for the Nyama Choma. All right. Wow. I'm already excited.
I know, right? It looks so good.
Oh my god. I don't know. This is the machoma. You just have to come to Nairobi to try this machoma. Like, I'm really in a hurry. Like, I'm salivating. I just wanna...
I know. Me too. I'm just looking at the meat and like when we get done cutting.
Oh my god.
Ribs. Look at the ribs. Manze.
No wonder Kenyans are saying that you didn't try your machoma the last time. You gotta try your machoma. Yeah, but this is the real your machoma. I am Maya. I am Maya. I am Maya. Machoma. No, I'm sorry, man. You wanna try that? No, you are here to tell me how to eat your machoma.
But it's so good, you know. I just can't resist.
I'm sorry. Finally, the Yamachoma, the real Yamachoma is here. Together with what? This is what?
Ugali. That's our ugali. Yeah.
Ugali. And can you explain something to us? Yamachoma, this is just a goat meat. Why the name Yamachoma?
Nyama choma actually means all types of roasted meat. It literally means roasted meat.
Roasted meat.
Yes, but we are having goat meat.
Goats roasted. Okay, so this is roasted goat's meat. So nyama means what?
Nyama means meat.
Meat.
Yeah.
Oh, choma.
Choma means roasted.
Oh, roasted.
Yes.
Wow, nyama choma. So these are like, it looks as if these are a lot. You know,
I know.
I ordered all these things.
Yeah, you did.
Really? Come
Yeah.
on, I didn't know. All right, so can you show us the right way to eat the nyama choma with it, so that people follow us and yeah. Good.
So the right way to eat your nyama choma,
Okay, I got my ugali right now.
you have to have your ugali. But
Alright.
nyama choma can actually go with different things. It can go with rice, with fries, whatever you want.
Alright.
But most people take it to the ugali.
Ugali, okay.
So you have your ugali in Kenya. When you have your ugali, you have to do that. You do this.
Okay, this is like the same way we eat gari in Ghana.
Nice.
And it's called gari in Ghana, right? And then
Then you take your nyama choma, pick a piece like that.
can I pick bigger?
Yeah, you can take bigger. It's up to you, man. Really.
I'll pick a piece. I'll pick a piece, okay.
Then you dip it in your kales.
My kills.
Exactly.
Alright.
Then you eat. What do you think?
You know, you told me if I can stay here for a year. Please, can I stay here for 20 years? Brother?
Welcome.
Will I get a resident permit for 20 years?
Welcome to our country. If you come to Kenya and try nyama choma, you probably won't leave.
And I will surely build another mansion. Wow! You know, it tastes so good. This, what is the name of this?
This is kumawiki.
It tastes like, you know, when you go to Ghana, we have something we call kontomire. It tastes like kontomire, and wow,
I know.
so good.
Very healthy as well. You know, it's
But
great.
a little bit bitter.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. Wow. Ha! Damn it. Your machoma is decorative. What about this one?
Fries.
You bought fries and you literally go with it. This is just, how do I?
Just salt it and add the tomato.
Wow. Then like that. No way.
I know.
I'm sorry. If you're watching me right now, you can see how excited I am. You know, this is super good. It tastes really good. Now I wonder, like, Kenyans are saying yamachoma, yamachoma, yamachoma. This is yamachoma. Anyone want to eat yamachoma right there? I'm sorry you want to eat, but hey, let me finish it and I'll surely get back to you guys. Maya. Wow. I forgot my yamachoma.
You've not tasted the kachumbari?
Kachumbari? Which one is kachumbari?
Kachumbari is this.
This is chili, huh?
Yeah, that's chili. So if you love chili, you also saute it.
So Ghanaians really love chili, so go for this. One chili. Go for tomatoes. I'm sorted. Wow. Can you guys see my facial expression? I love yamachoma.
Everyone loves yamachoma.
You or yamachoma?
That should be hard for you to decide.
I'm really going to decide later. But anyway, thanks for bringing me here.
You're welcome.
And I want to say to you guys, if you ever get a chance to visit Kenya, make sure you try nyamachoma. Do they have the beef one?
Yeah, they do have beef. They have beef, they have chicken, they have even fish, everything. All types of meats.
Fish nyamachoma?
Yes, right? Yes, there is.
Wow. This is amazing.
So when you come to Nairobi, you've got to have nyama choma, and the best thing about this meal is that it is not expensive. It is very affordable. Ranges mostly between $4 to $7, depending on the amount that you want.
It's because I love a lot of meat, so I need more meat. That's why I think we paid more than $7, right?
Yeah, because we added more.
Added more.
Took more meat, yeah.
So if you're alone, you can just go in for the $4. I think you can even get for $3 or something.
Yes, you can. You actually can.
This is how it is. I need to eat this food behind camera, so I need to finish this video, okay? Because I don't want you guys to see me busy eating my nyamachoma. I know most of you are gonna get jealous. Most of you will be like, this boy is really chilling. But anyway, this is nyamachoma. Whenever you come to Kenya, make sure you try it out. I'm here with Miss Trudy. Make sure you go check out the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel.